Hello guys, in this video I will show you a network design which contains with one router, three switches. Each switches has a server and a printer, and each server has three different workstations. So first go to the network devices and pick the 2811 router, and then wanna go and drag the switch. Just drag it, don't pick it on the choices. And if you're done with that, go to the end devices, pick the server, put one server in each switches, and then if you're done with that, pick the printer. And then we're gonna put each server with three different workstations. Just click or you can just delete it up. And if you're done with that, let's connect the devices. So you want to go to the connection and pick the copper straight through cable. Click it on the router and pick the fast Ethernet 00, and then connect it in the switch 1. Same as throwing the switch 2. And then if you're finished with that, go to the router, go here in the physical and then zoom it in. Just turn this off and then drag the NM1E here, and then again turn this on. If you're finished with that, go to the copper straight through cable, click it on the router, Ethernet 10, and connect it in the switch 3. And then let's connect the switch into the server and in the workstations using copper straight through cable. Same as throwing the switch 2 and switch 3. Just connect the server and printer and the different workstations. And if you're finished with that, you wanna go to the router and click the config and fast Ethernet 00. So let's change the IP address for this 192.168.0.10. Just copy it, and then this subnet mask will automatically fill in. Go to the server, desktop, IP configuration. So the default gateway for this is the one that we put on the fast Ethernet 00. And then the IP address for this is 192.168.10.5. Subnet mask will automatically fill in. Just remember that you cannot use the IP address that you already put in the other devices. So just copy this, go to the printer, config, and then the gateway is 10.4. Then go to the PC0, desktop, IP configuration. The default gateway is again the one we put in the fast Ethernet 00. The gateway for this is 192.168.10.3. Subnet mask will automatically fill in. So, and then we're gonna go to the PC1. Again, same as true with the PC0, IP configuration, and the IP address, 0.10.2. Same as true in this one. And if you're finished with that, go to the router and fast Ethernet 00 and just turn this on. And then if you're finished with that, go to the router again, click the fast Ethernet 01 and put the IP address 192.168.9.10. Turn this on and then go to the server, desktop, IP configuration. So again, the one we will put, the default gateway is the one we put it in the Ethernet here. Go to the server and then IP address for this is 192.168.8.5. Just do it in all the devices. Same as true in this, go to the desktop and IP configuration. Again, put the default gateway. IP address will be 192.168.8.3. Same as true in the other devices. Just copy it. And if you're finished with that, go to the router and pick the Ethernet 10. Put the IP address 192.168.9.10. 192.168.10. The subnet mask will automatically fill in. So just turn this on and then just copy it. Go to the server 3. Go to the desktop, IP configuration, gateway, again, the one that we put it in the Ethernet cable, 192, IP address for this is 192.168.7.1. Subnet mask will automatically fit. And then go to the workstation in the server 3, go to the desktop, IP configuration, and then again the default gateway. So the IP address will be 192.168.7.3. Do it in all the devices. And if you're finished with that, let's test it if there is a connection in each different workstations. So for example, let's go to the PC0, and first let's check the IP address for the PC1. IP address will be 10.2. Go to the PC1 and then command prompt and then use the code ping and then the IP addresses 192.168.10.2. So just enter it. So you see there is a reply from the workstation. Again, let's check the other device. Ping and then the IP address 192.168.2.8.2. You can see there is a reply. So again, let's check the source switch 3, 7.3. So as you can see, there is a reply. So that's it. That is how you create a network design with one router, 3 switch. Each switches has a server and a printer, and each switch has 3 different workstations. So the advantage of the network design that I show you is, first, the sharing of one printer saves a lot of money. Files can be easily shared between the network stations. Data can easily back up as all the data is on the server. 4 is allows the more convenient sharing. And then lastly is data communication is faster and easier. And then the disadvantage are viruses can spread to other computers throughout the network. If the files server breaks down, it won't become inaccessible. Lastly is managing 3 network is complicated. So that's all. Thank you.